I thought I'd take a minute and let you all know that I've put out a new blower box on Thingiverse, and I'll put the link below in the description. The revamp this is about the same size. This is shorter, same size fan. I think they call it a 3.5 inch. It's 8 centimeters across. And depending on what size or what power fan you get, so they vary from like 0.1 amps all the way up to about 1 amp. It'll blow more or less air. Let's see what else. The biggest change is I made these holes different so that the air would come out more easily and be better distributed. If you're going to use this, you need to supply your own voltage regulation and temperature control and all that, because it's plastic, it will melt down, it will burn. So you want to make sure you have fuses and all that appropriate stuff on there. But otherwise, that's it. I think it's an improvement over what I did before. And anyway, for whatever electronic project you're doing, I hope you find that useful and interesting.